Hey all, welcome back to the channel. I'm here today in Norfolk, a place called Huntington. I can't pronounce it. I found this place searching on Google to places where I can fly my drone, and this has a very interesting cliff which I didn't know the existence about. So yeah, I decided to come here today after work and to test fly my drone. So yeah, I'll be here today flying. Um, I'll be flying my DJI Avata 2 using the RC controller 3 and the Google Stream. It is quite windy today, so I do not expect a very smooth flight. There is a nice lighthouse as well, which I will be keen to orbit and see, and yeah, see how that goes. Without further ado, let's get rolling. Let's. Ooh, very windy. Okay, so screen is recording. Let's go manual. Yay. Everything's going. There is the lighthouse. Try to orbit around, but it didn't work. Oh yeah, it's quite windy today. I was expecting it anyway. It's in a coastal area. Oh, look at that. Signal is fairly good, but it does drop at some point. Yeah, already 28. 15, 12. It's quite bad. I don't understand the reason why, to be fair. Let's see. Because it's windy, I can't really control the drone. It's good. Yeah, I need drop signal. Let's see if we can do die or something. Guess I can't get any better than this. Now we come back and change the battery. I'm gonna change the settings and see that maybe I'll be able to get more signal. It only has one channel. It's supposed to be having more. Okay, battery 2. 19, 20 megabyte per second. That's really bad. That is really bad. That is definitely bad. Oh, the wind is so bad. Jeez, the wind. I can't do anything with this wind. signal drops so bad. Gee, no chance at all. No chance. Man. It's been nice coming down here, but and useless considering how windy it is. Not gonna try it. Doesn't follow the line. Trying to follow the line here doesn't do it. It's too windy. Wind pushes it away. Yeah, I tried. I tried to fly it, but unfortunately the wind is too strong to correctly maneuver this one. So yeah, I need to give up for this time and try again another day. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully you like the video. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.